another Epic Flows production.
What up? You know it's your boy Radical Epic representing Epic Flows.
I don't know, sir. Ricky Strap from Vlogs RSJA.
Today we in the streets at halfway tree. How we are going to do?
We're going to ask people them some questions.
We ask them, you can call this an English challenge.
Yeah.
Because we are going to ask them. What we ask them, sir?
Yellow leather in English.
They got to say that 5 times.
In English. For how much?
5 times.
For 5 grand.
You see me?
So guess what? Follow we are touch the street. Look a bit.
Go ahead.
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather. Oh Jesus!
You know me,
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather. Oh Jesus!
Yellow letter, 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 yellow letter.
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather. Oh Jesus!
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather.
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather. Oh Jesus! Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather,
Yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather, yellow leather.
Yellow leather.
I want your name respect. For the hustlers them. As the hustler fit hustlers friend.
So we just come on for the street, you see me?
I want to see what go on. No, we not tell no what go on.
You see me? So just remember to like, comment, share.
Subscribe to.
You see me?
You see me?
Epic Flows.
Vlogs RSJA.
Mad.
I'm out.
And then you still have who this, where I go on it. And it's only for herself known, of course. Can I find her?